Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular video, we'll talk about tiebreaker new rules. What is tiebreaker and what are the new rules? How it's going to impact your rank and what are the points you need to take care while doing preparation and when you're writing exam. It's very important because due to some marks on the same marks, due to some mistakes, you can get rank difference of hundreds or thousands. Okay, and it plays a very critical role in government colleges counseling process. Okay, so I will be explaining all these rules in this video. Before that, i I will tell you in the description we have given some important links, some ebook links which you can download. Is paid, some amount you have to pay and you will get some very distinctive information which is not available in the anywhere in free. And you can subscribe our channel, this platform you can subscribe, you can join the telegram group, you can chat with the people in the group, and at the same time you can get some valuable informations that we will keep on posting, and other members can also post it. So it will be a valuable platform for you, the telegram group. You can get subscribe to our paid services, paid counseling services, and from the first day until last day our counselor will be in touch with you. You can call them and they will guide you step by step for all the counseling process and any new application form, any update that you need to be updated with, and how you need to proceed with the counseling to get the best out of it. Okay, so let's get started. In 2020 there were 8 rules in tiebreaker and they have reduced it down, and there are just 4 rules now in 2021. So what are those rules? First rule, let's first understand what is tiebreaker. In case you get 350 marks and some other candidate gets 350 marks, so both of the candidates are having multiple candidates having same marks, then how the rank is decided? So that's what called tiebreaker, because if you have different marks, definitely the rank is going to be different. But on the same marks, how the rank will change, what are the factors? So that we'll know in this video. The first factor that they will look upon is more correct answer. Suppose you got 350 marks and some other candidate got 350 marks, you have answered more correct questions, the correct questions answered by you is more, then definitely your rank is going to be higher. Okay, suppose the correct answer is also same and it might happen because the score is same, then second factor they will take care, they will look upon is less negative marks. The candidate who had scored less negative marks will get the better rank. So be careful here. You have just idea about some of the questions, so don't go blindly. Scoring less more negative marks will definitely impact your rank, and if you are having good score, is on the boundary line to get a government college, then it becomes more critical for you, because the just on the same score you might see the difference of rank in hundreds up to 1000 as well. And you know how many seats are there in particular government college for particular branch, so it will play a very critical role. Okay, third one, even if you have answered, if two candidates have answered same number of correct question, negative marking is also same for both the candidates, then the third factor will be the candidate's age. The candidate who had attempted NEET PG NEET PG more times, or they have more experience, so they will get higher preference, means their rank will be better. The fourth condition is MBBS score. The candidate who is having higher score in MBBS will get a preference in rank. So you, at the time of writing exam, you can have a control on first 2 factors. Okay, less negative marking. At the same time you have to keep both things in mind. not touching the questions that you are not very sure about or not 100% sure about is not the right approach always. But you have some confidence that you are 90% sure about this question, this is going to be the answer. Don't take it blindly. This will increase your negative marking, and on the same marks, when it comes to tiebreaker, your rank will reduce, and you can lose particular college by just few ranks, even though the score is same for both the candidates. One candidate might get the college, other candidate might not get the college due to rank difference. So here you have to play smartly, obtain less negative score, and obtain more correct answers. So these two things you can control over. uh, Talking about third point and fourth point, candidate age is not in your control. Okay, MBBS score, that's past history, you don't have any control, but at the time of writing exam you have control on first two things. So here you have to play smartly, so that even the score is same, you get the better rank. Okay, so that's it from this video. And if you have any kind of question, you can comment us in the comment box. You can call us, our expert counselor will guide you through the paid counseling services. Okay, so until next video, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. All the best for your examinations. Around more than a month of time is still left out, so hope your preparation is in full flow mode, and all the best. Thank you.